Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change brakes on a Ford F150. First, ensure you have all the correct parts, including new pads and rotors, along with essential tools like a floor jack, lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Park your truck on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and loosen the lug nuts slightly. Then, safely lift the vehicle and place jack stands under the frame for stability before completely removing the wheel. Now let's get those old brakes off. Begin by unbolting the caliper from its mounting bracket. Typically, there are 2 bolts. Once the caliper is free, gently remove the old brake pads. You might need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry them out. Next, unbolt the caliper bracket itself. With the bracket removed, the old rotor should slide right off the wheel studs. If it's stuck, a few taps with a rubber mallet can help. With the old parts out, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the hub surface with a wire brush to ensure the new rotor sits flush. Slide the new rotor onto the wheel studs. Next, install the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, making sure to use any new hardware provided. Finally, use a C-clamp to compress the caliper piston, allowing it to clear the thicker new brake pads when you reinstall it. Almost done, reattach the caliper bracket and then the caliper, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Double-check everything for proper alignment and security. Mount your wheel back onto the hub, hand-tighten the lug nuts, and then lower your F150. Once on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Remember to pump your brake pedal several times before driving to seat the new pads. Also, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.